after the tribunal, probing his conduct, recommended his removal from office, saying that evidence adduced had proven that the judge was guilty as charged. The president now has 10 days to act on the recommendations, a period within which Chitembwe can file an appeal. Chitembwe had been accused by, among others, former Nairobi Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko, who shared videos showing the judge soliciting for a bribe. Other petitioners who had also sought Chitembwe's removal accused him of gross judicial misconduct, gross violation of the Constitution, and bribe-seeking to influence cases before court. Chemutai Goin now reports.
The report that seals the fate of suspended High Court Judge Juma Chitembwe happened at State House, Nairobi, as the Ngugi-led tribunal bashed the gavel, possibly ending his close to a 14-year stint in the corridors of power. The tribunal unanimously finding him guilty of all 6 counts, ranging from gross violation of the Constitution and judicial misconduct, abuse of office and corruption, amongst others.
We therefore recommend to Your Excellency that the Honorable Mr. Justice Juma Chitembwe be removed from the office of Judge of the High Court.
The President, on receiving the report, said he was ready to act as per the constitutional provisions.
Myself and others will take it up from there and also discharge our responsibility accordingly. I will subsequently do my part as instructed by you. This is a matter that I do not have any other recourse.
But before the President acts, Article 168(8) of the Constitution gives the judge a 10-day window to appeal the decision if he is aggrieved by the findings. The same law in subsection 9 requires the President to wait until the appeal window lapses before he can seal the fate of the judge. If Chitembwe doesn't appeal the tribunal's findings, President William Ruto will remove him as a judge by 17th of this month.
The more responsibility we have, the more power we exercise. It comes with huge responsibility and equally major accountability.
In its investigations, the tribunal had found that Chitembwe defied judicial laws in his conduct, including discussing the merits of cases yet to be determined with other parties. He also attempted to influence cases through bribery. Also, that the judge did not disclose to judges that he was related to former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko, yet he continued handling cases touching on him.
The above-stated breaches of the Constitution and the Code of Conduct and Ethics by the judge amount to gross misconduct and misbehavior under Article 168(1)(e) of the Constitution.
The former Nairobi governor, who took Chitembwe down, accused him of attempting to influence a land case he was involved in by advising him, yet he was embroiled in the conflict.
The actions of the judge in advising parties on the withdrawal of Malindi Civil Appeal number 32 of 2018 and advising on the probable points of appeal from the consolidated petitions, matters in which he had presided amounted to subversion of justice, lack of professionalism and conduct unbecoming of a judge.
Sonko, in what he dubbed Sonko Leaks, released videos on social media showing the judge soliciting for a bribe. And despite the judge claiming he was recorded without consent and that the video could be doctored, the tribunal found him guilty.
His undertaking to compromise Court of Appeal judges amounted to lack of accountability, involvement in corrupt practices, and impropriety.
It is therefore absolutely not necessary to lynch any public officer in the court of public opinion or in any other place. If we have issues with anybody in whatever office, we just need to follow the law, we just need to stick to the Constitution, and we can sort out whatever issues that we have.
Besides Sonko, 3 other petitions were filed by Francis Wambua, Imgrad Geig, and David Lebo, seeking the removal of the judge from office. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV.